3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! It's so cute! Let me take these off. I love it, this cute little abstract piece, and this is hand painted, and this is from Eleanosgallery.com. Pick up Eleanos anywhere they the hands. Anywhere they dance, big them up. Literally feel the texture. You can feel every single thing on this. This is such high quality. And the wooden frame, I wanted it to be wooden because I could not decide between like gold or bronze or silver or anything like that. So I just stuck with the wooden frame. It has some weight to it. I absolutely love it. I don't even know where to put it. So in the meantime, this is where I put it because this is the only place that has like nails. And it looks amazing. But it's so pretty. And it just, oh my God, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, look at the texture. Eating.